Welcome to Money Watch. In this video, I am going to show you how you can make up to $100 or $50 simply by promoting Clickbank products. You can use any network like Clickbank or JVZoo or Digistore24, but in this video, I am going to show you how you can make money from Clickbank without without uh, without paying a single dollar in advertisement. So before I start, if you are new to this video, then kindly subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon so that you will come to know about any future videos. And mm, if also you can hit the like button and don't forget to share this video to others. So let's get started. First, we need to go to a product. We need a product to promote. In order to do that, simply go to clickbank.com and log into your account. I have already logged in. So in this find products, simply click on this one. Once you will click on this, you will find there are lots and lots of product. The reason why I am telling you to click on this is because it will rank by gravity. So as you can see, that first product is 1115 gravity, so it's pretty high gravity product. Now we are going to select a product which is we are simply going to select a product which is related to weight loss product. So simply come to this one, smoothie diet 21-day rapid weight loss program. So what we will do is simply go to the sales page of this video of this product. So this is the sales video. As you can see here, there are lots of testimonial in this video, in this website. So this product is pretty fine. So what we will do is, in order to promote, what we are going to do is simply click on promote, and after that click on generate hop links. As you can see, simply copy the hop link you have generated. And in order to promote this product, you cannot place your affiliate link directly on the website because it will block you. So what we need to do is, we simply need a landing page. To create a landing page, simply go to Google Sites and click on here. So once you click on here, so you can see that Google Sites has launched. Simply click on plus icon, and once you have clicked on plus icon, what you will see is here you can paste your title. In order to do this, simply go to the affiliate website, product sales page. Simply copy this one, copy, and just go to your website creator, landing page creator. Simply paste your, as you can see here. So now what we need to do is, we need some points. We need some content. So in order to do this, simply go to this website, scroll down to the bottom, and you can see that here you will find some points. Simply copy this one and go to this website which you are creating, and simply click here, text, and simply paste it here. Okay, simply paste. In this manner, your landing page will be created. And after that, you can also, if you want, you can also hyperlink this by simply clicking on this, and simply paste your affiliate link here. Okay, so in this manner you can also add images also. Simply click on images, then click on upload. In order to get images, what you will do is, you will come to this website and simply copy the images by right clicking the save images. After that, what we need to do is, Now I want to show you the traffic source, and the traffic source is very simple, which is Quora.com. And here, in order to how you will make money in this Quora.com, the answer is pretty simple. Just click on here and type weight loss, because our product is related to weight loss. Now you can see here there are lots and lots of questions. What you will do is you will answer these questions. What is the most effective weight loss method or program? Simply copy this and come here. Okay, in Google, if you will search this, you will find lots and lots of 16 best weight loss programs for 2021. The 8 best diet plans, the 3 weight loss methods. Simply open this in new tabs. As you can see here, simply 16 best way. What you will do is you will simply copy 2 or 3 points from this website. Then I'm very sorry, my computer is pretty slow. Then you will go to this website, copy 3 or 4 points from here, and then go to this website, the best weight loss methods. Simply copy 3 or 4 from this website. In this manner, what will happen is, if you click on this, what will happen is your answer is ready and you can post your answer. To answer a question, simply click on answer here. Simply click on this, and as you can see here, you will simply paste your answer here. And I will tell you how to place your landing page link. Just come here, click on publish. Simply click on publish. For the sake of this video, I am randomly typing any name. You can add your website address here, proper name. Okay, for the sake of video, I am doing this randomly. And now from here you will copy the link. Just copy link, and once you write your answer, full answer, then at the bottom you can add your link. Okay, once you write answers at the bottom, once your answer is complete, at the bottom you will simply paste your affiliate link, your website link. In this manner you can easily answer any question related to weight loss. For example, you can type what are the tips for weight loss. Just go to Google and search what are the tips for weight loss. Copy one point from one website, 2 point from other website, 3 point from other website. In this manner, your answer is ready. In this manner, you can easily make up to $50 to $100 if you are consistent in the process. So this is the technique which I wanted to show you. So if you like this video, then click the like button and don't forget to subscribe and share this video to your friends. Thank you. I will see you in the next video.